Hey guys, welcome back. Round 7 of Formula Drifts on this weekend, and they headed to Utah Motorsports Campus. So I found a mod, but I couldn't find one with the outer zones for the layout. So I was going to have to make it up as we go along. I did go back and reference 2023 though, so I have an idea of where the outer zones are meant to be. We're also in another DWG car this time. So it's a 240 or a 180 SX with a S15 front. So let's have a look at that. So this one is powered by a K24. Assuming it has a turbo because it makes 420 wheel horsepower, 427 newton meters, adjustable coilovers and arms, and shortened knuckles. I must have missed that. So it's a G25 660 turbo, and I don't know what a CD009 transmission is, but it still comes in at around that 1200 kilo mark. So with that, let's jump in. So in the 180, so I use I think it's the Eastern track layout. So it's got to come in and turn around. Just drive the track in reverse to get to the start line. So I'm pretty sure this is the layout they use. So this is actually the last corner. So we're going backwards. I should have been to the layout. So they follow the outside of this corner and the one before. So try and keep it along the outside. Swap back. There's an outer zone somewhere along here, and in a clip here on turn 1. Alright, so let's give it a go. So I'm just going to try third. Just stay in a clip. Oh, too far out on the outer zone. Try and follow the corner around. Transition back the other way. Not a great lap, but I think that's the general layout of what the course should be. So let's see if we can do it in reverse. Just bang it off the limiter in third gear. Yep, not a great start, but and the inner clip should be there somewhere. Obviously in the wrong direction. Alright, let's have another go. First, second. So inner clip. I'm gonna go off the track. I'm not sure about this part because that's the pit entrance, but I think we just follow this white line around to stick it to the outside of the corner. So it seems like a simple layout, but I don't know if the corners are just more open than I thought. I also and stop that up completely. I don't like leaving the cars just to bounce off the rev limiter. And I actually find that very difficult in this particular car. Definitely other cars have not had such a drama, but this 180 do. Alright, so in a clip, probably a bit shallow on the corner. Without knowing exactly where the zones are, it's probably the best I'm going to get. So it'd be good to find a mod with the actual zoning, with the zones, just to reference, but no. I think I've done that every time so far. All the stuff on the screen. Oops, it does go over the sunroof. I always wondered that. Just take out the sign. That was 3 laps. So, I don't even feel like I was drifting there. Just keep it out wide. That's just all my head in banging off the road a little bit. I don't know if it's just the way this motor's set up, if it only has power, a very narrow power band. It's like as soon as you back off, it just revs back up there and it just doesn't seem to hold drift that well unless it's on the rev limiter. And I just don't think I can go fast. I'm just let off. I don't think I can go fast enough for fourth gear. Alright, first, second. Couldn't get it to hold fourth. So fourth was a lot of work and still didn't get me where I wanted to be. I think I'm just going to live with banging third off the limiter. Give it less throttle and try and hold it, but I just can't get it out to where I need to be on the layout one. Alright, we'll have a couple more goes. The car itself seems pretty good. Like, I prefer right-hand drives to left-hand drive. Obviously that's just my bias because that's what we drive here in Australia. Keep holding it off the track. Feeling very far from that last corner. Sunroof again, you can see the sun. After driving the Supra, I try to do like aerotops now. This car does seem to be able to handle a lot of angle though. Like that. But overall, I'm not really a fan of how the motor of this one KA. Okay, K20. Wasn't saving that. Alright, might just have 2 more goes. Bottom ripple strip. So this one doesn't have the quirk of the hands. Different rev limiter in this one compared to the, I think it was a 1J last week. So yeah, the car gets nice, can get nice angle, but I just so if I keep it shallower, third gear seems fine. I'm not sitting banging off the limiter. Well, I am now, but not as much. But definitely not my favorite 180 or car from the than Utah. I don't know, it's okay. There's just nothing really that stands out on this layout. It's just a couple of corners, kind of like no walls to run. No, nothing makes it. Oops, nothing makes it stand out. It's just a, yeah, it's just an okay layout. Just given up trying to follow the line that I thought I was going to say that, but I don't know if it's there or not. But yeah, it's a couple laps of Utah Motorsports Campus. Like I said, the layout, it's almost, I don't know, just boring, I guess. Nothing makes it stand out, just full corners. Yeah, I'm sure if it was like your local track, you would love it. But for me, it's just a bland track. It'll just be a forgettable one. Like I said previously, though, it'll be different actually watching an event compared to just driving it in the sim. But yeah, that's Utah. So just run through this last lap and call it for this video. So third, on off track. Banging off third in the limiter. That's Utah done. Thanks for watching, guys.